Mina Rashid, also known as Port Rashid. Right now, I am standing in a waterfront community which is next to Dubai Maritime City. In the past, in 1970, all the trading that used to done in Dubai, this was the main spot. And recently, the Dubai government has shifted this to the Jebel Ali airport. And this is the reason this whole area is getting redeveloped by MR into a luxury lifestyle living place. Now, if you can see behind me, there are a lot of boats and lot of berths for these boats, which is around more than 500. One of the main attraction of this place is Queen Elizabeth II ship. Now, mind you, at the past, this ship was bought by the Dubai government, and it is right now a floating hotel and museum in this location. Now, this location is just 15 to 20 minutes away to Dubai International Airport, and this airport has more than 80 million passenger capacity. Now, it is very close to downtown and Business Bay and DIFC as well, just 15 to 20 minutes away, just like Dubai Maritime City. And it has a great connectivity. By 2030, as we all know, Al Sindhaga corridor will be completely developed, which will give a great connectivity from this location to the downtown. Now, there are already developed islands like Sur Lamir, which is just 10 minutes away from Mina Rashid. Now, in Sur Lamir, right now, if you want to buy a one bedroom, it would be somewhere at a price point of 2.8 million dirham. And here, in this particular community, you can get a one bedroom for only 1.8 million dirham, which gives you a very competitive pricing as the community is getting developed. Now, another thing about this location is this project is at a space of 6.8 million square foot in area. Now, you can see behind me Queen Elizabeth ship, which is just like 500 meters away from where I am standing right now. And you can easily see that side you already have an airport. And if we see, we have berths behind us. These are around 500 in total in this location. And on that side, you can see the construction happening for Dubai Maritime City. On this side, MR has already constructed some of the new buildings which are still in under construction phase. And that is your Omniath project, Anwa. On that side, you have new projects coming up by a lot of developers like Damak, Omniath, Beyond, The New, DR, and Select Group.